What's up, everybody? This is Michael from Thick Cut, Ohio. Good morning. Gonna do a unboxing video of some Omaha steak product that I got. Go ahead and slap that on there. I got some beef tenderloin steak tips that I'm going to make kebabs out of. Luckily, right here in Columbus, Ohio, we have an Omaha Steaks retail store. So I was actually able to not even order this, but just go right to the store and get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack this open. Let's see what we have in here. All right. This was on sale, so I caught a good sale. There it is. This was basically some beef tenderloin tips that are frozen. I'm gonna let them thaw out real nice because I'm gonna skewer them up and put them on the grill. See, it's the item number Omaha Steaks 194 beef tenderloin steak tips, and it was a pound. I actually got these for a good deal of 13 bucks. So I thought, hey, it's the holidays, might as well take advantage of the sales. Let's see what's going on. It's really packaged nice, and they always have it nicely vacuum sealed. And they're actually really easy to open. You don't even need a knife. You can just pull here on the side. And that's about it. Just a quick unboxing video. I'm gonna cook these later on after they thaw naturally. And this is my first time dealing with the Omaha Steaks. I don't do commercial accounts, unfortunately, because they're mostly retail. But we're just gonna give them a try for myself.